Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Cats and Dogs Micro Mystery Pins. These were released in September of 2023, and they were available at Pink a la Mode for $22 per box, and there are 2 micro pins in each box. So these are a limited edition of 300 per pin design, and as you have probably guessed, these are no longer available. 2023 was quite a while ago. So this is a 12-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are Marie, Oliver, Cheshire Cat, Yzma, Figaro, Lucifer, Max, Binx, Percy, Nana, Little Brother, and Stella. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 4 boxes here to open up, which is only 8 pins total, so I can't complete the collection today, but the ones I want the most here are Cheshire Cat and Yzma, and then maybe Little Brother. So I have some pins for Cheshire Cat and Yzma, or Emperor's New Groove, and Little Brother's always been pretty cool. So those are the ones I'm hoping to get. So these have the little pull tab on the top. And I'm always surprised when I see how small these really are. I always forget until they're in my hand. I'm like, oh, these are tiny. So, yes, very small. All right, let's see what we get with our first cat and dog. We have Binx. So Binx has a witch hat on, and I had no idea who that was. So I had to look him up, and it is a cat that's in Hocus Pocus. So that is Binx. Apparently it was a boy that they turned into a cat. I don't know. I haven't seen Hocus Pocus in decades. So I don't know. So we have Binx, and then our second one is that is Percy. So this is the little dog from Pocahontas, the dog of the bad guy, and I forget his name. But that's pretty cool. We got some glitter in the background. Binx had glitter in the background too. This one has blue glitter. Little bits of red glitter in there too. That's pretty cool. And he's sitting on his pillow there. All right, let's get into box 2 here. And the goal is, of course, as always, to avoid doubles. We don't want those. All right, let's see what we get. And pin 3, well, I said avoid doubles, and I can already tell by the back of this one, it looks very, very similar to Binx. So, and Binx is most likely probably the least favorite out of all of these that I wanted to get. I guess you'd say the one I wanted the least. Now I've got 2. Yay! All right, let's hope this isn't Percy. Well, the top looks a little different from the back. It is Lucifer. All right, so this is Lady Tremaine's cat. So this is another villain cat, and it has like a greenish blue background. I really like the background on these. These are really cool. Okay. So we have 3 pins, only 1 double so far, but have yet to see Yzma or Cheshire Cat. So let's hope we get one of those. Because it's not like you can go buy more, because they're gone. They're long gone. All right, looking at the back, I don't think we've seen this one, and it is Stella. So Stella is a dog, and it is, I believe, Charlotte's dog in The Princess and the Frog. I had to look that one up too. So I was like, who's Stella? But Stella here has a very nice blue background. I love that color blue. Super cool. Now I don't think they're in the movie very much, but I don't know. Maybe they are. Have to check that out again. And then this one, we're on pin 6 here. This one looks different from the back too, and it is Yzma! All right, this is the one I wanted the most. So we have Yzma as a cat. Oh, she has the little potion in her hand, and she has a glittery green background. All right, so now we just need to get Cheshire Cat. Cheshire Cat and Little Brother, that would be awesome if it was this box. All right, so this is my last box in this unboxing, and pretty much ever, right? Because these are long gone. No new ones you can buy. All right, let's see. Oh no! I can tell from the back, it's another Binx. All right, so we have yet another Binx. We have 3 Binx. And let's avoid, well, Binx came with Percy and also Lucifer, so hopefully we don't get another one of those. I think it might be one of those. It's not. It's Figaro. Oh, awesome. Figaro's cool too. I like Figaro. So Figaro right there, and has kind of a burgundy background with some yellowy green glitter. Very cool. So overall, not too bad. I got 6 unique pens, only 2 doubles, and I did get one of the ones that I wanted. So very cool. So those were the Disney Cats and Dogs Micro Mystery Pens. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here. My favorite is Yzma. That's the one I wanted the most going into this unboxing, and I got it. Yeah. And I also really like the colors behind Figaro and then Stella. Love the blue behind Stella, but really cool design pens and not a bad unboxing. I got 6 unique pens out of 8 tries, so only 2 doubles. So I'm still missing 6 other pens, and the ones I'm missing are Marie, Oliver, Cheshire Cat, Max, Nana, and Little Brother. So those are the 6 I wasn't able to show you today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.